Hey there! One of the biggest questions we receive from homeowners is how do they properly clean and protect their oil-finished floors? Keeping your oil-finished floors clean and well-maintained not only protects them from daily wear and tear but also ensures that they remain beautiful for years to come. WOCA Denmark's cleaning and maintenance products are natural and effective at protecting and rejuvenating your floors. We understand that knowing which products to use and how to properly care for your floors can be confusing and overwhelming. This easy-to-follow guide, however, will help you know how to keep your oil-finished floors clean and well-protected for years to come. In this video, we will discuss what products you should be using for daily, bi-weekly, and quarterly cleaning as well as re-oiling maintenance. Let's talk daily maintenance. While oil-finished floors do not need daily cleaning, we understand that accidents do happen. WOCA Natural Soap Spray is perfect for daily cleanup. It is ready mixed, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Many common household cleaners contain a very high pH, which can leave you with unwanted results. Other cleaners can strip the oil finish, discolor the wood, and leave your floor unprotected. WOCA Natural Soap Spray cleans, nourishes, and protects your oil-finished floors in one step. Next is bi-weekly maintenance. As mentioned before, oil-finished floors do not need daily cleaning. Excessive mopping can lead to a damaged finish or even damage to the wood itself. To keep your oil-finished floor clean and protected from dirt, stains, and wear and tear, clean it every 2 weeks with WOCA Denmark Natural Soap. It is specially formulated to clean and protect in one step, leaving behind an invisible layer of soy and coconut fats, which helps to ward off almost anything. When used on a regular basis, WOCA Natural Soap makes your oil-finished floor more dirt and wear resistant and easier to keep clean. While WOCA Natural Soap cleans and protects your floor, when it comes to maintenance, it isn't enough. Every 3 to 4 months, clean and refresh your oil-finished floor with WOCA Oil Refreshing Soap, formerly named Oil Refresher. WOCA Oil Refresher combines efficient cleaning with oil rejuvenation, as additional oil penetrates the wood and reinforces the existing oil finish. It is a partner to WOCA Natural Soap, which is used for routine cleaning. Lastly, let's discuss re-oiling maintenance. Depending on the type of flooring in the home, your oil-finished floors will need to be re-oiled using WOCA Maintenance Oil Diamond Active or WOCA Maintenance Gel every 3 to 5 years. Re-oiling is typically a machine buff application, which is performed by a flooring professional. The schedule for this type of cleaning will need to be adjusted based on the look of the floor and factors such as lifestyle, traffic, etc. Please note that if the floor is factory finished, you should always comply with the manufacturer's care and maintenance instructions. Now that you understand the importance of cleaning and maintaining your oil-finished floors and what products to use, you are well on your way to preserving your floors for years to come. For more information on WOCA products, feel free to visit our website.